Well, the heavy wet snow knocked out power for thousands this morning across our area. Our outage map right now shows most power has been restored. 12 News' Imani Fleming, though, found Milwaukee residents still in good spirits with that added responsibility.
Well, we have been in Milwaukee all morning long talking to people who say they spent all week getting ready for everything the snow would bring.
We're ready for the snow. We got all the gas filled up and everything for the snowblower, so we're ready and got all the salt.
We're used to it.
Yeah.
Been here too long to worry about it.
But sometimes all the snow preps in the world aren't enough to stop the storm impacts, like power outages. And that was the case across parts of Wisconsin Sunday, where We Energies reported thousands of customers in places like Milwaukee, Racine, and Ozaukee counties without power, with customers like Melanie Simmons.
It's fun.
Waking up in the dark this morning.
And I said, we lost power, but I'm still holding strong.
On Sunday morning, We Energies told 12 News crews restored power to over 35,000 customers since 10 a.m. Saturday. They say the heavy snow buildup on trees mixed with strong winds caused those trees to fall over, knocking down their equipment, and that's when outages occur.
I was not as worried around here. This place, it's great. A lot of my friends in Dallas or Franklin lose power all the time. But for some reason, we're just keep on trucking.
So We Energies is reminding people to always stay at least 25 feet away from any down power lines. They say report any you come across either to them or to your local police. In Milwaukee, Imani Fleming, WISN 12 News.